Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 68 registered Range Rover Velar. This is the R-Dynamic 180S automatic vehicle, 180 brake horsepower. Now it's finished in Fuji white paintwork and has the exterior black styling package and sits on factory optional upgrade of the 20-inch alloy wheels and also has privacy glass in the rear. Now this particular car, with having the black package, comes with all the external detailing in high gloss black finish. So we've got the Range Rover badge on the bonnet, we've got the honeycomb front grille. As we go down the front bumper, the R-Dynamic S has the external body kit as well, so it has a front spoiler on the bottom of the bonnet. We get the power blades in the bonnet, in the bumper, sorry, we get the power blades in the bumper also black. Coming up to the bonnet vents there, high gloss black, and then the blades on the windows and also the panels, mirror caps, they're also black. Now privacy glass adding to it is a nice option. The bottom of the vehicle all then has high gloss black finish, and then we get the R-Dynamic decal on the wing. Now the 20-inch alloy wheels are multi-spoke, lovely alloy wheels, them really sporty, set the car off wonderfully. But everything about the car is in wonderful order. She's just done over 23,000 miles, a one-owner car from new, and in very, very nice order. We sell lots and lots of Velars. If you go on our website, see we've got 3 or 4 in at the moment, all black packages, greys, blacks, fantastic specification cars. I personally, my wife's got one of these cars currently and we love every minute of driving this car. The best, probably the SUV on the market. Round town the car gets between 32 and 36 miles to the gallon, and on a motorway run well up into the high 40s. A wonderful car, very nicely finished off. Now the black package runs round the rear tailboard as well, and then we get the electric tailgate on this one. This car also has the space saver spare wheel, but these boots are huge. This one has the aluminium detailing also on the rear board. Space saver spare wheel then fits under the floor. Press the button, it falls down. There we go, hey presto. But what a wonderful car. Standard cars have silver in the middle of the bumper, whereas black packages all have black. Reversing cameras on these and also parking sensors front and rear. Door handles pop out when you open the vehicle, and then when you drive off they fold back into the vehicle. But everything about it is as good as it was when it was new 4 years ago, but today here it is in Wigan, absolutely in gorgeous order. As we open the vehicle, we've got some, again, internal options. So we've got electric memory driver's seat. We've got Meridian Sound System on this particular model as well. 4 electric windows, powerful mirrors. Now the door mirrors externally and internally, the centre mirror, they're automatic and auto dimming. Then we have electric driver's seat and passenger seat. Gloss black finish down the internal of the vehicle, all in beautiful, beautiful condition. Starting her up now, we've got 23,026 miles. The car is in beautiful order, as all of our Velars are. Seats condition is in superb condition. We shampoo everything from ceiling to floor, condition it. In the armrest we then have the USB and also the 12-volt charger. Cup holder for your coffee in the morning. And then as we've got 2 screens, then we've got the climate screen. You can have the settings for the vehicle on there as well. So that's your comfort package. You can have your dynamic program there, and you can just change each one to how you want to drive accordingly to the weather. Heated seats, let's put them on, keep my bum warm. Climate control, we can have everything, and then we've got heated front windscreen. We can also use the heated seats on there as well by pressing that. But everything else, dead easy to use. Reversing camera, parking sensors, and then that's the top screen. We go to the home menu here, and then we can use that. So satellite navigation, no it's not snowing. Touch the screen, everything's there. Always go to the home and it takes you back. Media, so you've got Bluetooth streaming, you've got SD card, Bluetooth phone, and then if you've got connect your phone. I do. You've got Apple CarPlay, and then if you use Google Maps, that will also then come on that system. So yeah, superb. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell that this car is a non-smoker's car. Has that new smell even to this day. Beautiful one-owner vehicle. Automatic headlamps and automatic wipers are all there. Cruise control, speed limiter. Everything about them is in gorgeous order. Do love these cars. Everything about them is in wonderful, wonderful throughout. Now, let's take a look in the rear of the vehicle as I get out. Because it's as good in the rear as it is in the front. Now this one has the factory option again of reclining rear seats, which is these little buttons here. And we can then adjust and recline the chair in the rear. We've got a 12-volt charger for the passengers. And then these chairs are Isofix. Again, they're in lovely order with the crayon contrast stitching. But beautiful. Everything about it is in fantastic condition. White, black package, 20-inch alloy wheels, black leather interior, Meridian Sound System, electric memory heated driver's seat, signature lights there, you can see them now. But yeah, a joy to own and a joy to drive those cars. So give us a call here at Alpha Motors in Wigan. We take part exchange. This car is fully HPI clear. We offer finance. All our cars come fully guaranteed, fully pre-delivery inspected, MOT if required. Have a look on our Facebook, have a look on our reviews, you'll see we're a 5-star dealer. Have a look on Facebook, you see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars offers just like you are. We can take a £250 on this, which will reserve it or prep it, so you only need to come to the store once, and at which point then you can drive it away in the same day once it's pre-arranged. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.